Good afternoon, my name is Nathan Parks and behind me is a 2017 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix, 17,000 miles, four-way clear strobes up front, black on black with a silver stripe, has a nice set of 18-inch silver wheels, black tuxedo top with the BNC pillar chrome and a chrome crown band. Fully optioned out in here with a burl floor and a titanium interior with matching titanium drapes. Number 2 doors are both fiberglass along with the rear coach body and the rear load door, so this car is set to stand the test of time. Closed lid here with the flip up door gives you that flexibility to store a church truck horizontally or vertically, and you have an umbrella storage down below. Platinum Coach did a great job with a step pad here as well to protect the vehicle. As you can see, this vehicle is almost not scratched whatsoever, even though it's a 16 with low mileage, and I'm sure there's been a couple church trucks that have been put in this car. So great protection here, long-lasting style coach with the 2 nameplate brackets as well on the side door. Walk back to the rear here, you're going to see the traditional Platinum Coach Landau bar on that tuxedo top. You have a built-in bumper carpet here held on with some snaps along with the powered urn carrier door here. So not a manual door, it is a upgraded model, has an extra couple options on it and has a powered rear door. The switch for it is located down below here and you can work it in and out. Now it does have a full style urn carrier here, it will accommodate any style, size urn. We do have a traditional here with some flower cups on the left and right. Quick adjust beer pin stored on your far right there, and then you have the traditional style Platinum Coach interior that we've come to know and love. If you wanted to fold this up here, nice and simple bifold carpet. Probably my favorite style protection for the bumper is if you ever rip this, tear this, lose this, we can just drop ship you one over the mail and pop it right back in. That way this rear bumper stays looking perfect for a long time. You do have a backup camera located in this car for more ease of use, along with a set of load door stainless. So the exterior of this vehicle is fully optioned out, has every single box checked for this make, model, and year. As we go to the driver's side here, full-size spare tire, jack and toolkit located in there, along with a flip-up style lid on this side and your 2 chrome nameplate holders as we traditionally come to know. Interior-wise, black on black leather here. Once again, with 17,000 original miles, this car has been barely used. We have fully serviced the vehicle. It is ready to be delivered immediately. You do get AM/FM radio, Sirius XM radio, and Apple CarPlay on this model. It's the first year of Apple CarPlay, so a fantastic buy along with remote start. Give me a call, 800-229-5008. I do not have many of these vehicles in this make, model, and mileage come in often, as this is a rarity. We are welcome to trades, financing, and leasing packages are available. Thank you very much, and talk to you in the next one.